Hey guys, Rummy here with eXp Realty as we're expanding our team to North Carolina, South Carolina, creating an expansion team. I want to take you through the steps on how to go ahead and get your license, what to expect, what not to expect. As you guys know, I was a broker, associate broker, a team leader already in New York and Connecticut, so we're expanding now in North Carolina. The last video that you have seen, make sure that you got your criminal record checked already. It does take about 2 or 3 weeks. Now, one of the most important things that I'm going to show you is that if you are already broker or associate broker or licensed real estate agent, in order to transfer all the information here to New York and get certified with the training classes, what North Carolina wanted me to do was basically they wanted me to go ahead and get this information. So I did the application. They replied back to me, and this is what they said. So I'm going to pop up this email in front of you so that way you guys could see it. Here is an email. They said that in order for us to go ahead and get your license transfer over, they need a official license certification from New York State Division of Licensing. Now, this is critical, right? So if you're getting your license transferred over, you're getting your credit transfer over, they want to see a complete official certification. Now, I thought the official certification was simply my license number or my broker or my associate broker card that they give you. Now, they did not take that. So I've been calling New York Department of State. Finally, at 8:45, I got on the phone. I emailed them. It's been 2-3 weeks. I finally got them on the phone. So this is what they told me to do. And now I'm pretty sure with other state might be a little bit different, but I'm going to take you to New York Department of State, which is newyorkny.gov. So what they want you to do is go to licensing and businesses. So this might even apply for a lot of these other corporate licensing people, like even different, not even real estate and other different licensing divisions if you need to get certified information. I went to licensing and businesses. Now, when I was on the phone with them, obviously there's a security guard, Notary Republic, and so on and so forth. They wanted me to go down to the resources. Here's the resources. And here is where I need to go ahead and get licensing history and certification. It's in Spanish, it's in different languages, but this is the application that was needed for me to fill out. So here I will fill out my applications, my phone number, my current address, my mailing certification, type of license, name that you want, searched previous name if there was unique ID number, which is your unique ID number, obviously your license number that's there, and they wanted $25. So I want this certified application. So again, here is another way that you need to take a step. Here's another step that you need to take in order to get licensed in a different state, especially in North Carolina and South Carolina. Again, I'm walking you through the steps on how to get licensed, how to create a team, how to go out there and start from scratch, right? Have an amazing day, guys. Follow me, like me, hit the like button down below so you could get the new videos that are going on. I'm going to be updating you on how to get listings, how to get buyer, how to set up a database, how to get connected to mastermind groups, how to go ahead and take the first steps on the filler on our pipeline that needs to be filled, which is leads, appointment set, appointment conducted, and then you have clients, and then you have closings and repeat. So appointment leads, which is leads versus actions. And then after that, leads, appointment set, appointment conducted. This is not really a coaching. I just want you, anybody that's out there, always asking the same question. How do you get where you got, Rummy? How do you build something? How do you create an expansion team? I'm showing you from scratch. So follow the steps if you're getting licensed here. Have an amazing day, guys. Be blessed. Take care.